Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Privasee to answer any RFP, RFI, or due diligence questionnaire in under 5 minutes. As soon as you create your account, the first thing that you're going to want to do is provide context to the AI assistant. You can do this by uploading any file in any format directly, or potentially uploading multiple documents all at once. This is super useful because if, like most companies, you have somewhere in your Google Drive, your SharePoint, or your files, a large number of policies that are difficult to find, maybe in different formats. You might also have historical RFPs or questionnaires that you've had to answer manually in the past. What you can go ahead and do is just select all of them, or maybe upload a zip file, or again, just a folder structure directly into the Privasee platform. The tool will automatically scrape through the contents of the file or zip file that you upload, and it will basically tag all of the different policies directly. Super nice thing as well, the platform will take care of things like versioning. It will automatically find any inconsistencies to make sure that your information is always up to date. Now, as soon as we have this, what we can go ahead and do is go into deals to start answering our first RFP. We go into deals, and what we can do here is either forward any emails that we've received from the client or directly upload any sort of file or a link to a portal. Now, in terms of files, they come in many shapes and forms, from PDFs to docx to Words. Most likely than not, you've received something that looks a little bit like this, right? An Excel sheet with multiple tabs, maybe some conditional logic, really weird formats like having all the options in one of the columns. It really doesn't matter. What you can do with Privasee is, again, just go ahead and upload the file directly. So you go ahead, you leave it there, and in a matter of a few seconds, the platform will be able to scrape all the contents. Ta-da! The platform has essentially gone through the questions, and as you can see, it has successfully extracted all 149 questions out of this questionnaire. It's also categorized them according to the tab in which they were, and for example, it's been able to do things like generate an answer, provide sources for every information that it uses for those answers. You can, of course, go ahead and tag some of your teammates, and also really nice, it's able to extract any sort of instructions that come with each one of the questions. As a final thing, you might have noticed that the platform is categorizing the responses into completed, review, and respond. Completed are those answers that we have a high level of certainty that the platform is getting accurately, and those are the answers that we will ultimately charge for. Any answers that are marked under review are answers that we need a little bit of information on your end or your confirmation before moving ahead, and any answer that is marked for response is an answer where we do not have enough information to provide the answer based on the information you've given us in the documents or knowledge base. Any answer that you have to modify that is in review or in respond, it's completely for free. Now, the platform will learn from those responses in order to make sure that each time that you do a questionnaire or an RFP with us, the platform gets smarter and smarter. That's all for now. This is how you can use Privasee to automate any RFP, RFI, or due diligence questionnaire and have it respond so fast that it feels like magic.